Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is Paper Pumpkin Week, my favorite week, and it is the Fluttering Garden March 2026 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So let's see what's inside. We've got our instructions. We're making 3 each of 3 different cards with these beautiful hummingbirds. The instructions are in full color, and we've got our measuring tape down the side. And then it shows us what we need for each one. I did not get the add-on set this time, but I believe it might still be available if you're a subscriber. If not, it will be the next quarter's add-on. So we have got a bonus stamp set. We've got the original one with the hello, wishing you a happy anniversary, birthday wishes, some scatter dots, my favorite thing, little set of flowers, and these 2 beautiful hummingbirds. And then we've got the bonus set. It might not be the bonus set, I'm not sure. Anyway, you do get a bonus stamp set with this one. This is the Fluttering Garden. You've got these swags of flowers, some stems, some lovely leaves, and this beautiful flower. So we've got those. We've got these lovely envelopes. We've got a basic gray stamp spot. We've got, oh, these lovely, I would have called them opal rounds, but they're sparkle gems in clear with gold inside, and our dimensionals. We've got die cuts, those beautiful, beautiful hummingbirds and the word beautiful. And then we've got our card bases. So they are, it looks like watercolor paper or your own, if you've made your own papers that got that little bit of a pulpy look to it. And then we've got some more, and then these ones are different. They've got a circle on the front. Then we've got some more punch out, some die cuts. We've got the thank you, I'm so grateful for you, have a, and then blank Mother's Day, and then our banner. And that is the kit itself. So I'm really looking forward to putting the projects together. So stay tuned. I'll do a video for each project. And then I will do the first alternate, and then there'll be an alternate every day this week, up to and including Friday. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for those projects.